Okay, okay. When I say hi, you say hello. Hi! Wow, wow. Okay, one more time. Hi! Hello! There you go. Okay. Kumusta tayo dyan? Happy Halloween po. We are the Naughty Scientists Philippines, the one and only educational and entertainment service provider in the Philippines. My name is Professor Nitro. Kasama ko po.
My name is Professor Star.
And
my name is Professor Zen.
Ayan. So, sa ngayon po, pagbigyan po muna natin ang ating mga kasama because they are setting it up. Okay, sige, magkukwis muna tayo. Okay, because we're going to have a lot of experiments here. I have to ask this question. Sino po ang mahilig sa mathematics? I like math. Raise your hand. Okay, okay. Ayan, integral calculus. Mga ganyan, di ba? Differential calculus. Okay, that's hard statistics. Okay, sino naman po dito ang mahilig kumain? Mas maraming kamay. Ayan, mas masarap kumain. Mamaya, we're going to have a lot of experiments, okay? So, good thing po, mommies and daddies, nandyan po kayo sa tabi ng mga anak nyo, especially sa mga 3 to 6 years old. Magtatawag po ako ng volunteers. Meron pong mga experiment na pang 3 to 6 at meron din namang experiment na pang 7 to 12 years old. Now, are you ready for my first question? Are you ready? Now, what are the 3 states of matter that we know? Starts with solid, liquid, and gas. Now, the biggest question is, what is the 4th state of matter? Starts with letter P. What is that? Plasma. Ayan po. That is correct. That is the 4th state of matter. At sa science ngayon, sa physics, sa chemistry, sobrang dami na pong states of matter, around 20 na po, okay? If you're going to check it out, okay? I think my guys are ready now. Ako, kitang-kita nyo po ito. Okay, we have dry ice. Anybody know what's dry ice? Dry ice, okay. Ang dry ice po ay negative 78.5 degrees Celsius. Sobrang lamig. To the point na hindi nyo siya pwedeng hawakan ng bare hands. Dapat kailangan nyo po ng cryogenic gloves para hindi magka-frostbite. Okay?
Ready?
I guess. Okay, kids, are you ready?
Yeah!
Ready na sila, Professor. Okay. Kanina po, nagbigay po ng set of experiment. This is what I call the chemical reaction. Everybody say chemical reaction. Nakakalam ng iodine clock. Anybody here have seen the iodine clock? Ngayon makikita nyo na. The Naughty Scientists and TASAS bring you the iodine clock, okay? Okay, everybody say down Octobody. Okay, everybody shout, down Octobody! Now, everybody shout, up Octobody! Okay. Do you want to try? Do you want to try? Sige. Yes, oxygen. Now, what do we exhale? What is that? Carbon dioxide. Okay. Do you think carbon dioxide is an acid or a base? What do you think? Raise your hand if you know it's a base. Carbon dioxide is a base. Now raise your hand if carbon dioxide is an acid. Okay. Now, through chemical reaction, I need 9 volunteers. Okay. This time around, I need 3 from 3 to 6 years old and 6 from this group, okay? 6 from 7 to 12. Dahil may instruction po kaming ibibigay. Okay? Okay yan. Nag-swamp na sila. Okay. Later. Okay. Yung mga natawag na po kanina, hindi na po namin tatawagin. Okay? So, unless you're supervised by a professional. Sometimes, pwede itong gawin sa school, pero sometimes, hindi po talaga siya ginagawa.
Professor, ready?
Okay, let us ask the kids, are you ready? They are ready! They are ready! Talaga! BPO, laging ready! Ayan, let's go! 1, 2, 3, 1! Wow! Wow! Okay, wait for a while. Kaya na natin. So guys, makikita nyo, that's that chemical reaction. And up until now, hindi pa rin siya tapos, Professor. Hindi pa rin tapos yung chemical reaction. At ito po ay pawang napaka-init. What was that? What was that? That was the mommy. That was the mommy. Mommy! Everybody say, Mommy, where are you? Oh, wow! Sige, tapat mo sa kanila, Professor. Sige. Oh, wow. Wow. Kala ko maliit lang. Kala ko ito lang. Pero pala tayong mommy. Ang laki naman yan, Professor. Okay, sit down. Sit down lang. Kids, sit down lang, ha? Sit down lang. Because Professor will go to you. Go. Whoop. Whoa! Wait lang, babagsak yan. Yeah! Sit down mga anak. Sit down. Babagsak na. Catch it. Oh! Okay, one more time. There you go. Ay, the source was. Okay, nakita nila, Professor. There you go. A fresh one. There you go. Dito tayo, Professor. Okay, you gotta say, Mommy, come over here. Oh, ito naman daw, Professor. Mag-enjoy tayo dito. Mag-enjoy tayo dito. Okay, sit down. Sit down yan. Dadaan si Professor. Dadaan. Dito tayo. Oh. What? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung mabasaman kayo, don't worry about that. It's safe. Wait lang, malakas. Ayan. Oh, please do not touch the source. Hayaan niyo muna siyang bumagsak. Do not touch the source. Ayan na. Tinouch na ang source. Hayaan niyo lang siyang bumagsak, ha? Hands up. I want to see your hands up. Now, put your hands on your back. Sa likod. Okay. Put your hands on your back. Sige, upo ako para makuha niya yan. Are you guys ready? I cannot hear you. Very good. Okay, everybody count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. There you go. Now?
Don't touch. Don't touch it. Don't touch.
Now? Do you want to touch it? Okay, just poke it. Just poke. Poke the bubbles. Oh, poke lang ha, poke. There you go. 3, 2, 1. That's it. That's the cloud. Sit down, guys. May mga maiipit. Sit down. Sit down lang.
Sit down, guys. Sit down.
Sit down lang, guys. May maiipit. May maiipit. Sit down muna. Sit down. Kasi pupuntahan ko kayo. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Okay. Excuse me. Dito tayo sa likod. Puntahan natin sila. Huwag niyong ilalagay yung kamay sa loob, ha? Okay, now we're ready. Everybody say, we love science! One more time. Okay, everybody say, thank you, Taskas!
Thank you,
Okay, one more time. Everybody in this building, be ridiculous! Maraming salamat po. Kami po ang Naughty Scientist Philippines.